your financial starting point, assessing your net worth, calculate your current net worth and understand what it means, why it matters. You cannot improve what you do not measure. Knowing your net worth gives you a clear picture of your financial health and helps you make better money decisions. Imagine you are about to begin a journey around the world. Before choosing your destination, you first need to know your current location. Money works exactly the same way. Many people know how much salary they earn every month. Some know how much they spend, but very few people know one simple number that tells the true story of their finances, their net worth. A millionaire can have a negative net worth if they owe more than they own. A teacher with a modest income can have a positive net worth if they save and invest wisely. Net worth is not about something show of wealth. It is financial scorecard that tells you where you stand today. In this video, you will learn exactly what net worth is, how to calculate it, why it matters, common mistakes people make, and how you can improve it over time. Let's begin. Point number one. What exactly is net worth? Net worth is one of the simplest yet most powerful financial concepts. It represents the difference between everything you own and everything you owe. The formula is easy. Net worth is equal to total assets minus total liabilities. Assets are things that have financial value. Liabilities are debts and obligations you must pay. Think of net worth as your personal financial report card. It does not care about your job title, income, or lifestyle. It only measures your financial position. Many people confuse income with wealth. Someone earning $2 lakh annually but carrying huge loans and credit card debt may have a lower net worth than someone earning $50,000 who consistently saves and invests. Net worth changes every day because assets grow or shrink while debts increase or decrease. Tracking it regularly helps you understand whether you are moving forward or backward financially. Let's say example, Emma owns a house worth $3 lakh savings of $20,000, investments worth $30,000 and a car worth $50,000. Her total assets equal $3,65,000. She still owes $2,20,000 on her mortgage and $10,000 on her car loan. Her liabilities equal $2,30,000. Her net worth is $3,65,000 minus $2,30,000 is equal to $1,35,000. That number represents Emma's current financial position. Understanding your assets. Assets are everything you own that has measurable value. Not all assets generate income, but all contribute to your net worth. Common assets include cash in your wallet, checking accounts, saving accounts, emergency funds, retirement accounts, stocks, mutual funds, ETFs, bonds, real estate, business ownership, vehicles, gold, collectibles, digital assets like cryptocurrency. Some assets appreciate over time, such as investments and property. Other lost value every year, such as cars and electronics. Knowing your assets helps you understand what is working for your financial future. Create a complete inventory. Do not estimate carelessly. Use realistic market values. Your financial decisions become better when you know exactly what you own. Example, David owns savings $8,000, investments $15,000, car $10,000, laptop $800, total assets $33,800. Next, point number 3, understanding your liabilities. Liabilities are financial obligations you must repay. They reduce your overall wealth. Common liabilities include home mortgage, student loans, personal loans, car loans, credit card balances, medical debt, business loans, taxes owed, any unpaid bills. Not every liability is bad. Some debts help build wealth. A mortgage may help purchase appreciating real estate. Student loans may increase future earning potential. However, high interest consumer debt often slows wealth creation. Many people ignore small debts because they seem manageable. Combined together, these debts can dramatically reduce net worth. Knowing every liability gives you control. Ignoring debt never makes it disappear. Example, Sophia owes student loan $20,000, credit card $5,000, car loan $8,000, total liabilities $33,000. Next, point number 4, how to calculate your net worth step by step. Step 1, list every asset. Step 2, assign each asset its current market value. Step 3, list every debt. Step 4, calculate total liabilities. Step 5, subtract liabilities from assets. That's it. No complicated financial formulas. Many people use spreadsheets, others use budgeting apps, some simply write everything on paper. The important part is consistency. Repeat this exercise every 3 to 6 months. Watching the number change over time is more valuable than the number itself. Let's say example, assets saving $10,000, investments $25,000, car $15,000, total assets $50,000, liabilities loan $12,000, credit card $3,000, total liabilities $15,000. net worth $35,000. Next, point number 5, why your net worth matters more than your salary. Income tells you how much money comes in. Net worth tells you how much wealth stays with you. Two people earning identical salaries may have completely different financial futures. High income without discipline often creates lifestyle inflation. Average income combined with investing creates wealth. Net worth reveals spending habits. It shows debt management. It reflects saving behavior. It measures long-term financial progress. Banks, investors, and financial planners often examine net worth when evaluating financial strength. Instead of asking how much do I earn, ask how much do I actually own. That question changes financial behavior. Example: Michael earns $1,50,000 yearly but owes $4,00,000. Sarah earns $70,000 but has investments worth $5,00,000. Sarah has stronger financial position. Next, point number 6, why your first net worth may be negative. Many young adults panic when calculating their first net worth. Negative net worth simply means debts exceed assets. This is common among college graduates, young professionals, new homeowners, entrepreneurs, people starting families. Negative net worth is not failure. It is simply today's starting point. The goal is gradual improvement. Every loan payment increases net worth. Every investment contributes increases net worth. Every savings deposit strengthens financial security. Financial success is measured by progress, not perfection. Everyone begins somewhere. Let's say James owns savings $3,000, car $7,000, assets $10,000, student loan $28,000, net worth just minus $18,000. 5 years later, after saving and investing, his net worth becomes positive. Next, point number 7, common mistakes people make when measuring net worth. Many people accidentally calculate incorrect net worth. Common mistakes include guessing home values, ignoring retirement accounts, forgetting small debts, overvaluing vehicles, including rented assets, ignoring taxes owed, counting future salary, using original purchase prices instead of current market value. Net worth should reflect reality, not optimism. Honest numbers create better financial plans. Financial awareness always beats financial illusion. Remember, the goal is not to impress anyone. The goal is to understand your financial situation. Let's say example for this point. Lisa purchased her car for $30,000 5 years ago. Today it's worth only $50,000. Using the old purchase price would falsely increase their net worth. Next, point number 8, how to improve your net worth every year. Improving the net worth follows surprisingly simple principles. Spend less than you earn, save consistently, invest regularly, reduce high interest debt, increase income through skills, avoid unnecessary borrowing, protect assets with insurance, build an emergency fund, stay invested during market ups and downs. Small improvements repeated every month become massive improvements over decades. Financial freedom rarely happens overnight. It grows slowly through disciplined decisions. Patience creates wealth. Consistency protects wealth. Example for this point: saving just $300 every month and investing into over many years and dramatically increase net worth through compound growth. Next, point number 9, tracking your net worth like successful investors. Successful investors monitor progress. They don't obsess over daily market changes. Instead, they review their financial position periodically. Choose one day every quarter. Update assets, debts, investments, savings, property values, loan balances. Compare your current net worth with the previous months. Celebrate progress. Identify weakness. Adjust goals. Tracking creates accountability. Measurement encourages improvement. Ignoring finances often creates expensive surprises. Let's say example: Carlos tracks his net worth every January. Over 5 years, it increases from $12,000 to $95,000 because he consistently followed his investment plan. Next, point number 10, turning your net worth into a financial roadmap. Your net worth is not the finish line, it is your starting point. Once you know today's number, you can set realistic financial goals, build an emergency fund, pay off debt, increase investments by appreciating assets, diversify income, protect wealth, teach your family, review annually. Every financial decision should move your net worth upward. Remember, small consistent actions create extraordinary long-term results. The goal is not becoming rich overnight. The goal is becoming financial stronger every year. Example: a couple calculates their net worth at $40,000. They create a 5-year plan. By consistently saving, investing, and reducing debt, they increase it to $1,80,000. They didn't win the lottery. They simply followed a plan. Finally, today you will learn one of the most important numbers in financial finance: your net worth. It is not about comparing yourself with others. It is not about showing off wealth. It's about understanding your financial reality. Take this 30 minutes today. List your assets, list your liabilities, calculate your net worth. That single number becomes the foundation of every future financial decision you make. Remember, you cannot improve your financial future until you understand your financial present. If you found this video valuable, like, share, subscribe for more practical financial lessons that help you build lasting wealth, one small decision at a time. Thank you.